Good morning.
Good morning.
How are you?
I am good, and you?
I am fine, thank you.
What's your name?
My name is Milan. What's your name?
My name is Hannah.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
Hannah, where are you from?
I am from Japan. What about you?
I am from France.
Where do you live?
I live in Paris. And you?
I live in Tokyo.
How old are you?
I am 20 years old. You?
I am 24 years old. What do you do?
I am a student. What about you?
I work at the hospital.
Do you have any siblings?
Yes, I have an older sister. What about you?
I have two brothers.
Goodbye.
Goodbye.